and gentlemen, and a warm welcome. When we talk about mothers, ladies and gentlemen, ultimately it's really about the kids, about the children.
India's battle against malnutrition has been going on since independence, and in the post-pandemic hit country, the challenges have grown manyfold. To tackle this issue, RB and Plan India have organized the #Love for Kids bike rally under their initiative Reach Each Child.
This program attracted me, and this concept specifically, of 7 mothers who are going to traverse 1500 kilometers on their bikes and spreading the message to reach every child and to fight malnutrition, poor hygiene, to bring good health.
Vision is the ability to see the invisible and make it happen. Thank you for being that visionary, guiding us along this very, very special initiative.
This is an initiative by Detol Banega Swasth India along with the Plan India. One of the main reasons behind this right planning is to support the Poshan 2.0 and support Ministry of Women and Child Development through Detol Banega Swasth India. Reach Each Child initiative is one of the very interesting and important initiatives in post-COVID times in 2021. We're a group of 7 bikers who will be rolling their bikes from Gurgaon to Maharashtra, Amravati and Nandurbar. There is a prayer, which is the biker's prayer, from which we are going to start this today's very auspicious day. So the prayer reads like this: as I ride on my bike, I ride by faith and not by sight. While the wind blows in my face, I think of His amazing grace. Lord, protect me as I ride, for I know that You will be by my side.
The 1,600-kilometer ride that started from Gurugram to Amravati spread the word on the importance of health, hygiene and nutrition in mothers and children. RB and Plan India's Reach Each Child initiative has been reaching out to mothers in the Nandurbar and Amravati regions of Maharashtra since 2018.
We started from DC office Gurgaon, we went to Gwalior, then we went to Indore. From Gwalior to Indore it was a beautiful way, I must say. All the roads, going up and down the hill and the view and the windmills. The ride was very peaceful, I must say, from Gwalior to Indore.
On our way, when we usually take small halts at the toll plazas, and we meet kids there and we provide them with some sanitization things, and and in this COVID pandemic times, it's I think more than important to focus on hygiene and health as well.
The whole plan by this RB and Plan India, it is for kids. As you know, the under 5 mortality rate is very high in India, and being a mother, I know how important it is for a mother and a child to overcome these things, like malnutrition and hygiene. So for me, I'm personally very touched with this kind of a cause, and I think it's very necessary. As you know, we are targeting the early 1000 days of a pregnant woman. So we want to create awareness, and the awareness should be there so that the females can come over it and can help.
Charity begins at home. So same way the health is like, when the mother who is taking care of everyone, she needs to be healthy as well.
I had a house help, and then so she had like 4 kids, and one of the kids died. So it was very uncertain for us to hear, because we've seen that kid playing and suddenly that happened. So then I asked her that what was the reason, because it was very unexpected. So that is when she told me about things that that some level something was, some hemoglobin or something was not there, and they were fighting for food for all the kids and everything. That is how I got to know that this is also a cause in kids which can lead to such a disastrous thing. So that is there. So what we do, I mean, on our ground, not like this is the first time we are coming to such a thing, but when we have these kind of females around, the house helps, the maids, the people working around in your area, in your locality, the people who iron your clothes, the people who provide you. So I keep on talking to them. These people have a lot of kids. So I keep talking to them. I want to know what is going on, because that incident had kept me ticking that this can also happen with these people, just because they either they don't have food, or they don't follow hygiene, or they are not aware.
This Reach Each Child initiative started in 2018, and since then we have been able to make a difference in the lives of children in Nandurbar and Amravati district, because those were the 2 districts where we thought we'll set up demonstration sites, and now that we have been able to make much progress, the whole idea is how can we scale it up. So now for the next 5 years our plan is to reach the message of good health, of nutrition to all children, all mothers.
I got to know about this ride, and when I heard about the cause, I was really motivated, because we usually ride for a passion, but it was for a really great cause. So I had to, do this.
It's a wonderful initiative by RB, supported by Plan India. Being a mother, I know how important it is to take care of your child. And we, being a biker woman, we are very, we are taking care of our kids in a very informed way. We can Google, we have facilities, we are more educated. But the real fighters are these moms.
कोऑर्डिनेशन बहुत अच्छा था आपस में सब लोगों का,
Wonderful girls.
Three cheers for Preeti Didi.
Hooray! Hooray!
So basically our next stop is Nandurbar, and we are really looking forward to meet all the mothers there and meet the kids and hear their stories. So let's see how it goes.
मेरा नाम मैनावती शांताराम पाड़वी है। मैं गंगापुर से हूँ। 2 साल से मैं काम कर रही हूँ और मेरे पास दाप पीएससी है, उनमें मैं से गाँव है उनमें काम करती हूँ। 1000 डे पे हम काम करते हैं और 5 क्लाइंट है उन पे हम काम करते हैं। गरोदर, स्तनदा, श्याम म्याम, SCW उन पे हम काम करते हैं। उनके घर पे हम 15-15 दिन में होम विजिट करते हैं। आंगनवाड़ी में टीकाकरण होता है तो हम टीकाकरण करने के लिए उनको बोलते हैं। स्वच्छता के बारे में बोलते हैं, वजन और वेट और हाइट के बारे में बोलते हैं कि आंगनवाड़ी में जाके दर महीने में वेट और हाइट लेना चाहिए। हिना जितेंद्र पाड़वी, उनका बच्चा में था और हमने वेट हाइट हम खुद लेते थे, तो उनमें वो लेके नहीं आते थे दर महीने में, और उनका हाइट और वेट लिया तो वो शाम के बाउंड्री पे निकल रहा था, शाम में आ जाता, ऐसा थोड़ा वजन घट जाता तो ऐसा था। पर हमने उन्हें बताया कि ऐसा ऐसा है, तुम्हें एनआरसी तक जाना पड़ेगा।
उपजुलता हारा थपेन माये मदे लक्षण आके ये हते कुपोषित भी गेलो ता आमी हार है आमी वजन वाड़ी गई हाँ आना आमी एकदम फिरे है एकदम रहे शेंडा बोलो खोबे सुविधा के ही हारो के ही हमें एकदम अन जेवण भी हार के है ना मस्त पेकी रो भी हमें अन एकदम फिरे है मेमो माथो पहने एक बलवाड़ी में ली जाए नामी एक जेवण के है का एक हाथी आमी हारो है आना शेंडा बोलो हारो एक लसीकरण ली जाए हाथी व्यवस्था है हमें सुविधा वेगी हारी।
अभी बहुत अच्छा है बच्चा, वेट भी अच्छा है और नॉर्मल में आ गया है। अभी वो बहुत खुश है, मुझे बोलते हैं आपकी वजह से ये सब हुआ।
मुझे माँ को भी दिन में कम से कम 4 बार खाना खाना चाहिए, सुबह फिर ऐसे 10-11 बजे, फिर लंच के बाद लंच, फिर और शाम को और रात को, ऐसा मुझे जितनी बार आप भी खाओगे उतनी बार बच्चे भी खाएंगे।
मेरी मम्मा एक बुटीक चलाती हैं तो शी इज़ लाइक कि वो अपना काम भी देखती है, हमें भी देखती है, प्लस हमारे हर चीज़ टाइम पे, लाइक कि अगर मैं एक दिन लंच नहीं लेके जाती तो वो परेशान हो जाती है, तूने खाना खाया, शी आज में कंटिन्यूसली। तो ऐसे ही अगर गांव में जैसे महिलाएं काम करती है तो उनके लिए तो कितना मुश्किल होता है, तो वो अपने बच्चों को ठीक से देख ही नहीं पाती क्योंकि उनको रोज़ी रोटी भी चलानी है अपनी और बच्चों को देखना, तो इतना मुश्किल हो जाता है। इस वजह से ना वो उनको सही खाना दे पाती है, ना ही उनका सही पोषण हो पाता है।
हमारे यहाँ में कैसा रहता सर, एक बार खा लिया फिर खेत में चले गए, फिर शाम को खाएंगे, फिर बच्चे को भी वैसे सवय लग जाती ना, ऐसा हो जाता। आदिवासी इलाके में ज़्यादातर तो यही रहता है सर, मुझे ज़्यादा काम पर ध्यान रहता है लोगों का, बच्चे पर नहीं ऐसा। पर हमारे यहाँ ऐसा है सर कि बच्चे पर इसको तरह हम ध्यान नहीं देते, पर वो क्या हुआ होने का होता तो हो ही जाता है ऐसा ना।
तो ये सब उस बेसिस के लिए, मतलब कि उनको जागरूक करने के लिए, ताकि वो अपने बच्चों को भी ध्यान रख सके प्लस अपना काम भी कर सके और दोनों चीज़ को साथ में बैलेंस कर सके ताकि उनके बच्चे भी स्वस्थ रहे और उनका घर भी चलता रहे। तो ये कॉज मेरे लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल है।
Our endeavor is basically, all the good practices from urban reach to rural, from rural it comes back to urban. And we have found the women champions who are the torch bearers of making sure there's very less child mortality. These are the girls who will be working on communicating, communication with the women in the ground and the last mile.
सबसे बड़ी बात है कि ट्राइबल व्यक्ति शाय नेचर का है, ज़्यादा बाहर के लोगों से या बाहर के जो मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ से घुल मिल नहीं पाते, एंड इलिटरेसी। तो एक तो रिमोटनेस है, शाइनेस ऑफ कांटेक्ट है और इलिटरेसी है, ये सब चीज़ें माल नरिशमेंट के लिए एक फैक्टर हम बोल सकते हैं।
हाई समाता है वो सुनती नहीं है, आशा वर्कर को, आंगनवाड़ी को सुनती नहीं है। एक बच्चों अभी हम सिविल को रिफर किया, इतने दिन लग गए हमको, इतने दिन लग गए, हम साड़ी पैसे सब कुछ दिया उसको। तो वो मेंटलिटी है ना, वो एक बच्चा अभी मुझे मृत हो गया। हाँ, भूंगटा बाबा हमारे वहाँ वो धड़गांव में वो पहाड़ी भाग बहुत रहता ना, वो अंधश्रद्धा है, लेकिन हम इतनी टीम हो गई ना, आशा वर्कर, CNW एवढी टीम होऊन गेलेली आहे, तर एवढ्या टीम मध्ये आम्हाला खूप अभाग मृत्यू, बाल मृत्यू, माता मृत्यू खूप फरक पडला आहे आता।
We have seen remarkable improvement in the data of malnutrition. We recently have got the NFHS 5 data, which shows there's remarkable improvement in wasting and stunting picture of Nandurbar district. In fact, we are one of the best performing districts in the state right now. So definitely over the past 5 years, that is from 2014 till now, we have done everything that we can to get rid of malnutrition, and the Government of India programs that are initiated over these past 5 years have given us a better result and a better impact on the tribal community, where we were seeing malnutrition over all these years. So there's definitely an improvement.
हर साल लगभग हम मई जून में उसका पूरा ज़िले का सर्वे करते हैं और पूरे ज़िले में जितने भी सैम चिल्ड्रन जो सिवियरली एक्यूट मालनरिश चिल्ड्रन मिलते हैं उनका पूरा साल भर ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं। तो हमारा लगभग पिछले साल 4000 के आसपास बच्चे हमें मिले थे, तो उसमें से लगभग 3000 बच्चे को हमने रिकवर कर पाए और पूरे ज़िले के अंदर, और उसके अंदर हमें न्यूट्रिशन इंडिया प्रोग्राम काफ़ी हेल्प मिल रहा है।
जो ये 2 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं नंदुरबार अमरावती, जब मुझे राइड का पता लगा था, वैसे तो हम बहुत राइड करते रहते हैं, बट ये एक कॉज के लिए है बेसिकली। देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंट कॉज जहाँ पर ये जो मदर्स हैं अमरावती और नंदुरबार की, इनके जो बच्चे हैं उनको प्रॉपर सैनिटेशन, प्रॉपर हाइजीन, प्रॉपर फूड नहीं मिलता है खाने के लिए, जिसकी वजह से ये मैल न्यूट्रिशन रहती है। सो बच्चों में पोषण की प्रॉब्लम है, जिसकी वजह से अंडरवेट रहते हैं बच्चे एंड दे डाई बिफोर 3 years ऑफ एज। कम एज में वो बेसिकली ठीक से नहीं स्वस्थ रह पाते हैं।
वो वर्कर एक्चुअली फील्ड वर्कर जो है वो वाकई सही मायने में वो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज किसी को जाना, उसकी सोच को कन्वर्ट करना, उन्हें समझाना, ये एक बड़ा टास्क होता है। आप किसी को भी अपनी सोच आसानी से बदलने नहीं देते हैं, और हमारे यहाँ तो बहुत टाइम से सब चीज़ें वैसे ही चल रही, तो ये वाकई एक बहुत काबिलियत की बात है कि वो उनको समझा पा रहे हैं और कर पा रहे हैं।
I am altogether a different person now. I have a different perspective towards life, I must say. I have actually learned how to balance things, I guess, and to find happiness in small things. You know, eating with all those mothers was so peaceful, I must say. I've never find such peaceful food in my life, I must say. And riding with these fellow riders, each and every person have their stories about their rides and whatnot. So yes, you become a total different person when it comes to different such experiences. It was 1600-kilometer ride. You understand this from Gurgaon. We've been crossing borders. We've been crossing borders from Haryana to UP, then to MP and Maharashtra here, which is our last destination, Amravati.
Thank you so much, Team NDTV, for being a wonderful partner to us throughout our journey. And you were also there yourself when we first flagged off this journey along with the Plan India teams, with the CEO of Plan, Asif. To me personally, it means a lot. 7 women riders starting from Gurgaon to coming to Maharashtra to Amravati and Nandurbar. Somewhere all these bike riders, all of them women, they are trying to bring together state of happiness among the moms, among the frontline health workers, where they are meeting the women. This whole rally is love for the kids, as it started on 14th of February, which happened to be the St. Valentine's Day. It's very interesting indeed. Like, it will be, in my knowledge, like it is one of those important journeys which is going to start further multiplier effect, where millions of people, millions of moms, millions of families are going to get together, will be joining them. They will be narrating some stories of hope, some stories of courage, some stories of motherhood, some stories of happiness, and aim is to spread happiness through hygiene. And what better Dettol can do, these are the times where the corona is still prevalent.